This is the lat pull down. This is for building a nice, beautiful back, thighs, and shoulders. First things first, you want to adjust the pin on the weight and see which one works for you. I suggest starting with lighter so that you can do in correct form before you go heavy. Next, you want to adjust the knee pads. There you go, just like that. And make sure it's firmly on the top and secure so you do not come out of it. Next, you're going to grab the handles. Jackie's going to pull it down. Good. We're going to pull to the top of the chest. So correct form, you want to make sure you keep your core tight, chest up, bring the shoulder blades back. You're going to elongate it and then pull. Elongate and pull. So just make sure it doesn't snap you back. You want to make sure you have control on both the eccentric and concentric movement. You can also adjust the grips of the handles, grabbing wide. Keep your core tight. You're going to pull it down. And again, this is going to get a different part of your back. Perfect, just like that. And go at your range of motion and also go with what weight works for you. We're going to lift it up and we're going to grab narrow. So release it slowly, grab a hold of it narrow, and then you're going to pull down. Make sure your elbows are in a line with your rib cage. Bring it up, release, and pull. Great job, Jackie. And there you have it. That's a lat pull down.